I recently went to a Thai cooking class and learned a really cool Thai curry shrimp recipe that I wanted to share with you. But have you ever gone to the grocery store with a recipe to get the ingredients and you can't find some of the stuff that is on there? So frustrating, right? No, it's not, because you know what? A recipe is a guide and an inspiration. So I couldn't find a couple things that were on that recipe, so I decided to just take the Thai out of the recipe, I think, for the most part, and just make it a curry shrimp. So I'm gonna share that with you because it turned out fabulous and I really enjoyed it. And I think if you like shrimp and you like some really great flavors, this one is for you. Let's go to the stovetop and let's start creating. Getting my pan warmed up on medium-high heat with some oil, and I am adding some sliced onions with orange and red peppers and grating in a bunch of fresh ginger, seasoning with just salt and pepper to start. I'm letting those veggies and onions soften up in my pan, and then I'm just going to use a teaspoon of red curry paste and a little bit of soy and fish sauce. Once those veggies are nice and soft, I am throwing in already cooked shrimp. So I'm only going to be cooking these for a couple of minutes so that they don't get all rubbery and overcooked. I'm adding a little spice with some red pepper chili flakes and about 1/3 cup of coconut milk, finishing it with a squeeze of lime and then a little bit of whatever herb you want. I'm going to use some parsley and green onions. This recipe pairs really well if you serve it over a bed of rice. But if you are off the carbs, you don't need to add any rice or noodles. You can eat it just the way it is. If you want, you can also thicken up that sauce if you aren't using the rice and the noodles to soak up some of that liquid. I think the flavor and the balance is beautiful. I didn't need the Thai ingredients, but things like Thai basil or lemongrass are kind of the two that I couldn't find. Throwing that in there will change the flavor profile if you want to try kind of adding those elements in, which I couldn't find. Thank you so much for joining me on The Silly Kitchen. I really appreciate your views, your comments, your likes, your subscription. It just makes my day when I see them. I hope you join me again, and I will see you next time.